One very common solution today is to use Simulcast. Simulcast comes to our rescue in this way. We have the user on the left here, and that user is publishing his media stream. He's going to do that in multiple different separate videos. Each one of them is of the exact same source, but at a different bitrate. Different bitrate also means different resolution, maybe different frame rate, different qualities. Okay? So here in this example, I've got 3 different bit streams coming from that user, 3 different simulcast layers or streams or whatever you want to call it. So the SFU received all of these 3 incoming bit streams. It's going to look and say, well, you know, that user over there, he's got a good device and a good network. I'm going to give him the high bitrate layer. Okay, that bitrate that is the highest. The one over there that caused us all the problems in the previous meeting, well, let's give him the lowest one. So we can still be on the meeting, get the media, but not get the same kind of an experience as the rest because he won't be able to afford it in a way. Okay, so that's what we do with Simulcast. Now, what does Simulcast do for us? Or what are the payment that we do, that we make for using Simulcast? There are 3 things here. The first one is that we need more bandwidth on the client's uplink. Instead of sending 1 bit stream, I'm now sending 3 different ones. So I need to encode 3 times the same data, the same source, and send 3 different bit streams on the network. So instead of just sending 1.5, 1.7 megabits per second for the highest layer, I'm going to send something like 2.5 megabits per second for all 3 layers that I'm sending out. That also means that the client now needs to have higher CPU use. I'm not encoding once, I'm encoding 3 times. And then the last thing, and that's tricky, we now need gentle optimizations in order to scale. We have Simulcast, we can use it, but I'll tell you something. If you use it as is, the same way that we've seen here, as a naive approach, you're not going to get the best quality. And this is going to affect your users, and they are definitely going to complain. So what are we going to do about it? What are some quick wins with an SFU and Simulcast in order to optimize that we can come up with? Wait for our next video to see exactly that. We're going to start looking at 3 very quick wins for SFU optimizations using Simulcast and other solutions. Until then, follow me at bloggeek.me.